This video demonstrates how to add contact fields in your email signature template. Contact fields in email signature template. To make your email signature template design easy and simple, Sigsync provides a group of contact fields such as business phone, fax number, mobile phone numbers, etc., as a single component called contact field. Select the table cell and choose the Contact AD field. By default, the predefined AD fields will be displayed. You can edit or remove AD fields from the list and also change their position. Select the multi-line layout. Click the Apply button. Now, the group of contact fields are added into your email signature template. You can preview the changes. Let's see how to display the group of contact fields in single-line layout. Select the table cell and choose the Contact AD field. Let's display business phone, fax number, and mobile phone in a single-line layout, and remove all other fields. Select Single-Line Layout option. Let's change the field separator. Click the Apply button. The group of contact fields is displayed in a single-line layout. Preview the changes. Try Sigsync for free today.